Hello and welcome everyone for this tutorial, how to edit a 360 video. So you need to drag your videos or import them from files. Then once you have them all ready, so whatever you got from your shooting, you just drag them and create a new sequence. Just by dragging to the sequence bar, it will create for you your new sequence. Then what you need to do is to start editing. So you have now, as you can see, is a 360 view of all your footage. Also, there is different ways of editing. There is the select part that you can use an in and out. So by clicking I and O on your keyboard, you can drag your part that you wanted to edit. If you're doing with this, you have to unlink your audio. So you right click and you unlink, and you can easily remove your audio that you're not gonna use. So you have the empty audio side, so you can use your GarageBand audio and you can add it later for the editing part. Then you have to add your viewfinder, which is going to be a viewing for VR. So you drag that, and then if you want to screenshot take a still from your video, you have to drag that too. This is a screenshot for both. Then you say okay. So when you click on that, you're gonna have a 360 view. So you can go around and get to see it edited. Then now you have to go and make the view into the horizontal side 180. So you have wider perspective and angle for your view to get to see what you're editing. And to go from this preview to the other preview, you just click on that again. Then you will start editing. Just use your razor tool. And then we're gonna create an adjustment layer to start coloring after you're done with your editing. So you go here to new and do an adjustment layer, and this is where you're gonna be coloring. Don't color on your actual videos. You have to create a new layer with the adjustment layer for all your videos on top. Then you're gonna go to your color mode. So we're color grading, okay? Then you're gonna get a menu on the other side, on your right side. This is where we're gonna be changing the colors. Just looking at your already existing colors from the shooting, you can start editing and changing the filters. You can add a look. There's already embedded in your presets that's already embedded on Premiere. You can have it and then reduce it. Then later you can go and do more editing that's more manual. So what we're doing here is we're gonna go and do basic color correction and adding more contrast and trying to get rid of the background, basically to have like a blacker or get the blackest color. um, um, then what we're gonna go now um, is to go to the curves, so we can add hues, so we can make our oranges more orange, or we can make it less saturated or more saturated. You can add points, so you can make it extremely selective, so you can have just for the oranges to be very, very vividly appeared, and then for the other colors can be desaturated more. And the cursor and the curves definitely add more range for you, so you can use that more. Then you have here, you can change the hues. So here you can have more flexibility when it comes to selecting and changing the entire selected color scheme that you already have. So if you have the coloring or the lighting of the set itself, you want it to be changed, you can change it in post, which we're doing right now. If you like what you did already, so you're good to go, make sure that you're on the right adjustment layer, and you can check in a 360 mode your colors. Make sure that you are okay with all the coloring everywhere, not just in a one angle position. We're changing now just a little bit the contrast, adding more brightness, and you can see the before and after now. Huge difference. So color grading and color correction is one of the key components when it comes to post-production. It definitely enhances your experience and enhances the look of your film at the end. After checking, you can view it on a flatter mode. And then after that, you're ready to add your sounds. Then once you have your sounds and you're done editing, you can press in and out to export. So make sure you have the 10 seconds. And then you're gonna add your credits that I'm gonna be adding. I'm gonna be sending it to you guys. Make sure that they're both ticked, the audio and the video. Then we're gonna go to the bitrate. Make sure that they're both 80, and then you hit export, and you're ready to go. So get your template and add it to it so you can add your credits with your titles and your names at the end before exporting.